Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how I make my rice water for egg rolls. Keep on watching. Thank you. So you're going to need a bowl. I use this bottle to ferment my rice, but you can use any one you have in your house, any container. So yeah. Then obviously you need a white rice. You will need the back of the orange and a knife to peel it. So right now I'm just pouring the rice into the bowl, and you have to measure it. If you have a full hair, you put more rice. If you have a small hair, you put less rice. So it's depending on the hair you have. And yeah, so after this you have to go wash it. You wash the rice. I wash my rice 3 times just to make sure that there's no dirt in it. Just in case you don't know, rice water is full of vitamins and minerals that are wonderful for both hair and skin. Yeah, skin. I use rice water for my acne too, and it helps me a lot. And also, rice water can help you detangle your hair. It increases shine. It makes your hair stronger, thicker, and help your hair to grow very long. After washing the rice, now we just have to pour the rice into the bottle. You can use a spoon to pour it inside the bottle. I use my hand because I was feeling lazy to go look for a spoon. So now you just have to add some water inside the bottle, and yeah, you measure it. Like if you have a lot of hair, as I said before, you pour more water or less water depending on the hair you have. So right now I'm peeling the orange. You don't need the orange, you just need the back to prevent it to smell, because I found out that after some days the rice water smells. So we need the orange to make it not to smell. So you can also put peppermint oil if you have, but yeah. This is how the rice will look like. You can leave it for 24 hours, 2 days or 3 days, and then apply it to your head.